Winning Best in Show was really a huge moment for us. It really brings forward all of the hard work. It's really just a physical show of that culmination to take home that trophy to the team and show them what we're doing is paying off, we're going in the right direction, and we're having an impact in the market, and that's being recognized. So having that trophy in hand is going to be great going back into the office.
They contributed so much to our success and to our product. I felt like I was receiving the award, but I was like, team, come on. Like I just called two colleagues who were with me so we could have the pictures taken together. But I believe this is a huge opportunity, so I would advise everybody to apply.
I would say take a look at what need you're solving. It could be assumed, it could be known, but really try to pinpoint exactly that use case and show it to the maximum. Don't hold back.
Yeah, don't stress, just be natural, like what you do and enjoy it and have a good time.
Just be confident because you know your work, you know the best that you can show, and just rehearse a bit and just be confident.
My recommendation, make the best use of Greg's time. Definitely attend those sessions. As a technology person, it is difficult to translate the value from a technical value to business value. Especially with Greg's help, our demo improved. I have demoed in other places before, but this was the only place where I was mentored for the creation of my demo.